US factory activity contracted for the sixth month in a row, and that was driven by a fall in production in the month of August. Increased import tariffs are extending the manufacturing activity recession. President Trump had vowed to bring manufacturing and factory jobs back to the US. However, his tariffs have in turn weighed on factory activity. The Institute for Supply Management's manufacturing index came in at 48.7 last month, while slightly better than July's 48 reading. The gauge remained below the level of 50 that separates expansion and contraction. A sub-index measuring factory output moved back into contraction territory for the first time in 3 months. While the employment gauge inched up, it remained at one of the weakest levels since the pandemic. Susan Spence, chair of the ISM's Manufacturing Business Survey Committee, said that we continue to have weak demand overall, still due to tariff uncertainty. 69% of manufacturing GDP is in contraction. It's down slightly from July. We have 4% of those industries in a heavy contraction period, and that is also down, but it is still not good to have that much in contraction. Now, the ISM report highlighted the cross currents facing the nation's producers. The manufacturing sector is still experiencing higher costs as a result of hikes in import duties. However, factories are still benefiting from solid business investment and resilient household demand. While a measure of prices paid for raw materials declined to the lowest since February, it still remained elevated. Manufacturers are wrestling with supply chain disruptions that is driven by the Trump administration's uneven rollout of its trade policy. The ISM supplier delivery gauge showed delivery times lengthened last month. Also, the group's import index indicated a faster pace of contraction.